Hi Marga, good morning. How are you today?
Very well, Blanca, and yourself?
Very, very well. What would you like to do today to achieve with this hypnotherapy session?
Well, I would like to lose some weight. Also, I would like you to teach me how to relax.
Okay. Look, with the weight, definitely you are going to achieve something today. Normally, if when you want to lose weight, you need more than one session. You need at least between 5 or 10 sessions. With the relaxing thing, it's going to be easy because once you are in trance, when you are completely relaxed when I'm talking, definitely I can guarantee you that you will feel very relaxed after the session. May I please touch you in certain areas like the head and the shoulders?
No problems.
Thank you so much. I will start. May I please ask you, as well, permission to remove your glasses?
Oh, sure.
No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, now please just relax. Okay, Marga, from now on, the only thing you are going to listen to is my voice, okay?
Mm-hmm.
There will be other sounds in the background, but don't worry. Just listen to my voice. You're in a very safe place. There is nothing I can do against you because you are always awake. Remember that. Every time I talk, you will be completely safe in a great environment. Now please take a deep breath, concentrating in your stomach, and when you exhale, make it much longer. So basically inhale, and then exhale. You become more relaxed. You concentrate in your breath, and you become more relaxed. You become more relaxed. Now I'm going just to take your arm and leave it up. And your arm is becoming really heavy. Very heavy. You continue breathing. You become very relaxed, amazingly relaxed, super relaxed. Just remember that you're in a very safe environment. And you continue breathing deeply. Your eyelids are getting really heavy as well. Super heavy. And now you start counting. Just imagine that you have here the number 10. Number 10. You just start counting backwards from 10 to 1. 10. And you are going down and down in a very relaxing way. You count 9. The 9 is here. You can see it inside in your mind. The number 9. And you see number 8. At the same time, your arm is becoming extremely heavy, super heavy. It's like you are getting more and more still in your left arm. Super heavy. Now we count 8. You go down. Imagine now that you are a little drop of water in the big blue ocean. Imagine that you are sinking. We continue counting number 6. You go very relaxed, super relaxed. And now we count number 5. You're amazingly relaxed. You try to open your eyes, but you can't because you are very relaxed. And we count now 4. You have this beautiful, amazing, gorgeous drop of water sinking deeply in the very blue, beautiful deep ocean. You feel amazing, super relaxed. Super relaxed. Now we count 3. We count 2. And every time you are even more relaxed, super relaxed. And now I count 1. You are seriously relaxed, seriously, happily, amazingly relaxed. So happy, so wonderful. You feel great. You feel so great. You feel like you are having a nap, but you are still awake. You can listen to me every single word, and it feels amazing. And now imagine that you have this gorgeous, great door. You can customize your door. It can be a Balinese door, it can be an Indian door, it can be a Spanish door, it can be an Australian door. And you can choose the material, you can choose the color. It's your door. And you open it. You open the door. You trespass that beautiful door. And you see that gorgeous, amazing, beautiful beach. The beach feels amazing. It's your private heaven. It's your private place. And you walk. And you have this gorgeous, white, fine, white sand. Amazing sand. You can feel it with your feet. And you can smell the salt of the water. The temperature is your temperature. It can be 25 degrees, it can be 26, it can be 20. It's what you want. And it feels amazing. You are going deeply, deeply relaxed in your heaven. You are walking there. You are very happy. There is no past, there is no future. It's only this moment, this present moment. And it's your heaven. It's your sacred place. And you can go there whenever you want. Whenever you want, you can go there. You can take some deep breaths and go in there when you feel stressed during your days, during your normal life. And now you see a beautiful umbrella in the middle of the beach. Again, the umbrella can be what you want. It can be the color you want. It's an enormous umbrella. You can be, if you want, in the sun. You can be inside. You can do whatever you want. It's your time. It's your moment. You feel safe. Super safe. Super safe. Super relaxed. I will just check on your left arm how heavy it is. It should be super heavy because you are so relaxed. You are so relaxed. You are so relaxed. Remember, safe. Safety. You are always safe. In this session, in your heaven, just follow my voice, feeling great. There is no past, there is no future. There's only this moment. And it feels great. Great. You enjoy it. And then you have as well a table with food. And you choose. You choose. Every time you feel hungry, you're going to have a fabulous tip. You're going to drink 1 glass of water. Every time you feel hungry in your normal life, you're going to decide to drink a glass of water. Because sometimes we think we are hungry, but normally we are thirsty. And it's going to be a fabulous tip that you can use every moment as a post-hypnotic suggestion when you finish the session. But now you have your gorgeous table full of food and you choose what it feels better for you. You can have fruit, you can have nuts, you can have whatever you want. It's great. But first, you drink a glass of water and it feels good. And you're going to do this all the time when you are hungry. Every time you feel hungry, you will just drink a glass of water. Every time, doesn't matter if it's morning, afternoon, night, I feel hungry. First, I drink a glass of water and then just wait. And sometimes the hunger will disappear because you were just thirsty. And that way you will avoid to overeating. It's an easy tip, it's very easy to follow. But now you are relaxed and you're enjoying it. You're enjoying it so much. Actually, I'm going to count now from 1 to 5 backwards, and you're going to go even deeper and deeper and deeper. And it feels great because when you are relaxed, your body is healing, your body is getting better. It's like we give a break to our system. 5, you're feeling really relaxed, even more than before, in your gorgeous, beautiful, amazing, fabulous beach. It feels great. It feels amazingly great. And now I count 4, and you feel even 10 times more relaxed than before. It's amazing. It's super fantastic. And now I count 3. You feel so relaxed, so relaxed. You are being in a really cocoon moment. Your body is healing. You are getting rejuvenated, relaxed, amazed, amazing. It's fantastic. It feels so good. All of your cells in the body are so happy, so happy, so happy. Just remember, when we finish this trance, this session, you're going to feel so rejuvenated. Like if you had a nap of 5 hours, you're going to feel so restored, so amazingly good. So good. And I continue counting 3. You feel 10 times more relaxed than before. And then I count 2. And then I count 1. And each time is 10 times deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper than before. Very relaxing, very good, amazing, absolutely amazing. And now you enjoy your time. You enjoy your time. You feel great. Every system, the circulatory system, the digestive system, everything is getting better and better. Your immune system, your everything, even your metabolism is much faster now. It's much faster because the body inside is repairing with this calm, great time that you are having in your own heaven, in your own sacred place that you can go whenever you feel like. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And with each number, you are going to start coming back, leaving your fabulous place and coming back to this gorgeous room. I will count 1 and you are more aware of this space, of my voice, of the temperature of this room. You said goodbye happily to your beautiful sacred heaven. I will count 2 and you are now being aware of your chair. You're aware of your hands. You are moving your fingers. You're moving your toes. And I will count 3 and you feel more and more aware of my presence. And I will count 4. And when you are ready, and I count 5, you will be completely wide awake and you will open your eyes, feeling amazingly fantastic. 5. So, what was your experience?